here to continue the science class today that we are learning about the different organ systems of our body. Is it right? So most importantly, we are learning about the skeletal system. Okay, dear students, today let us start about the skeletal system which is present in human body. So this is the image of the skeletal system of our body, which is helping us to protect our body, as well as it gives a framework of different types of hard structures called as bones. Dear students, this skeletal system is very important for us because it gives our body shape and posture. Even though you have to understand here, dear students, it not only helping us to protect our body and even also giving the strength and posture, but also helps in the movement of our body. And most importantly, it is also helping our inner organs, protecting inner organs like heart and lungs. It also protecting our inner organs called as heart and lungs. So even dear students, see how we have learned here this framework of bones helping to give a shape of our body, helping to move, protecting inner organs, and even also it has different types of functions, that is movements of our body. So different types of movements. See how the skeletal system can helping us by moving our body, like sitting portions, walking portions, sleeping portions, all different types of portions, which is because of this movements of the bones in our body. So I think you have observed all the movements of this skeletal system. Is it right? So even dear students, we have to understand most interesting point, that is when we take birth as a small child. See this child you are looking now, this is a small child. It has approximately 350 bones. How many bones? 350 bones. A child has 350 bones. Then the same child, when he become the adult man, what? He become the adult man, he has 206 bones. 206. How many? 206. That means a child which has born 350 bones, and when he becomes an adult, he has 206 bones. So that means an adult man has 206 bones. Is it right? So even dear students, the bones looks like hard. If we touch our body, we'll feel the hardness of bones. Is it right? So it looks like hard, but inside it is spongy and filled with a liquid called as bone marrow. Filled with a liquid called as bone marrow, which produces the blood cells of our body. Okay, dear students, about skeletal system, introduction of skeletal system we have learned. And next step of this skeletal system, which we are going to learn different parts of skeleton. Okay, let us start different parts of skeleton. The first part of skeleton which we are going to learn today, that is skull. What we are going to learn? Skull. See how horror it is now. It is very horror. So very dangerous looking. Is it right? But it is very protective. This skull is very protective. It protects our brain. What it is doing? It protects our brain and also some internal organs. See dear students, this skull, when we are touched, just below the skin it is present. The bones of the skull present just below the skin. When we touch, we can feel the bones. See the skull bones. The skull bones is how generally approximate 8 bones. It is made up of 8 bones, and the face and jaw bones. Face and jaw bones are approximately 13 bones. How many? 13 bones. See, one more fact we have to understand about the skull here. So only jaw bone. See, it's look here. Only jaw bone can able to move for chewing and talking. Only. So just look this skull picture, which you can able to understand. And even also our skull has holes. What holes? Which is supporting to keep our eyes, nostrils, mouth. See how you are looking now. So these are the important aspects what we have learned about the skull, dear students. So some more important parts of skeleton which we will go and learn in the next classes. So this class you listen it and do the work what I am giving you. Okay. So as possible you have to show the curiosity in the classes. Okay. So be happy everyone, and first of all importantly importantly, care of your health. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.